Hello students, we will understand a new concept from the chapter Body Fluids and Circulation of Class 11 Biology. We know that human circulatory system can be divided into two parts. One is the pumping organ and the other is blood vessels. So the blood from heart is carried to every part of the body through a network of channels of different varying diameters of blood vessels present. Now these blood vessels include arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules and veins. Now blood vessels like arteries and veins are majorly made of three coats or tunics. The outermost is tunica externa, which is made of fibrous connective tissue. Then we have tunica media with elastic fibers and smooth muscles present. Then we have tunica interna with an elastic membrane and endothelium. These three layers will make up the blood vessels like arteries and veins, whereas capillaries are made of simple squamous epithelium and they are very thin structures. Let us talk about arteries. Now these carry blood from heart and distribute to each part of the body, to every tissue. Now we need to remember that tunica media has more muscles and it has a thick wall when compared to veins. This is because the blood inside arteries is pumped with a great pressure because it has to supply from heart to every part of the body. And also they do not have any kind of a valve present in them. Now except for pulmonary arteries, all the arteries in our body carry oxygenated blood because pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs. To talk about veins, these will carry blood against the gravitational force from each part of the body towards the heart. Now because they are carrying it against the gravitational force, they will show presence of valves to avoid backflow of the blood. And they comparatively have thinner walls in the tunica media with less muscles and they can easily get collapsed because they have less pressure and the wall is also thin. And also veins will carry deoxygenated blood except for pulmonary veins, which are responsible to carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Now talking about capillaries, these are very thin vessels of the blood network which are responsible for exchange of gases and exchange of nutrients, and they are open at both ends. So at one end they are connected to arterioles of arteries and at another end they are connected to venules of veins. Hence, we've understood blood vessels in our body. Make your concept stronger and stay ahead in your learning journey. Join me and other subject experts on the Turito app for daily free concept classes. Download the app now.